Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the payment not processing in GoDaddy Website Builder 2026. If your customers can't pay on your GoDaddy site, let's fix it step by step just by following these few simple steps together. Now let's start. But before we start, in order to use the GoDaddy application, you must go to the GoDaddy.com website. Then you're gonna make sure you sign in with your account. If you don't have one, you can create one by clicking on create an account, and you're gonna enter your information, or you can sign in with your Google account. Now after that, to fix this issue, you're gonna check the payment method. Now we're gonna go to the GoDaddy dashboard and open the commerce slash payments, and there you're gonna make sure that the payments and your payments method is connected and active. Once you do that, you're gonna confirm the payments provider. Now, to confirm the payments provider, you're gonna go and check it if Stripe, PayPal, or GoDaddy payments are enabled. And if they are, you're gonna reconnect to the provider if needed. Also, make sure to check the currency settings. Make sure your site's currency matches your payment provider, and mismatch can block payments. So make sure there is no mismatch there. After that, you're gonna test in the checkout. You're gonna place a test order, then you're gonna try a different browser or device. After that, you're just gonna publish the changes and always click publish after edits. Never forget to publish changes, and also never use unsupported payment methods. Always check checkout after setup. And that's how you fix checkouts after setup. And that's how you fix also the payments issues in GoDaddy Website Builder. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.